Linktree, the only link you'll ever need. If you are an artist, business, musician, or anyone that is needing to share multiple links in your bio or even in a post, Linktree is what you need. I procrastinated and went months and months without signing up. And it was the wrong thing to do. Just recently, I signed up and it only took like a minute. All they asked me for was email, password, and then they sent a link to my email. It's not like a lot of the other things you have to sign up for. Like a lot of times when you sign up for like social media accounts and stuff like that, it's a process you have to go through. They ask for so many different things. It just takes forever. With Linktree, it was so quick that I was like, oh wow. It was only like, I'm thinking it's gonna take me to another page where I gotta fill out 10 different questions or some 10 different things. It didn't do that. It just sent me the email confirmation, and I'm thinking, okay, once I click on the email confirmation, it is going to ask me for a bunch of questions. I click on the email confirmation, and bam, I'm instantly in my app. My Linktree account is already set up. So the only thing I have to do now is copy my links, and I mean, it's so quick. All you do when adding a link, all you do is add the link, and then you type what you want it to say on the button that the people are going to press. It is so simple. So all you do is pretty much just add your links, and then that's it. So I mean, I had my Linktree and all of my links set up. I had like 5, 6, 7 different links set up in about 3 minutes. Could have been quicker than that, but it took me me taking so long to get to the different pages, to get to the links, to find out where my links were, and then I verified them and went back to the link and clicked on it myself to make sure they were working. But yeah, about 3 minutes and I was set up. Like, what people fail to realize is, like, for instance, on Instagram or Twitter, in your bio section, it allows you to put one link, and that's really not enough. And so a lot of times I want to share my music. Maybe I got a new song coming out, or maybe I got 2 songs that I want people to really pay attention to. I might have a video on YouTube. And so I would always have to go back and switch the links depending on, okay, this month I'm releasing this song, I got to switch the link. This month I'm doing this, I got to release the link. I just dropped a new video, I got to change the link. So instead of changing that main link every time like that, you can easily just keep that one link the same and go through into your Linktree and just edit the links. And that way you don't have to keep changing. Because I notice a lot of people do that. Especially like a lot of big artists, a lot of big names, they'll be like, link in bio, link in bio, link in bio. And instead of having to change the link every time you put out something new, people can just already know that, okay, his Linktree bio is in there. Big names, big names, big artists, big celebrities are using the Linktree. So I think it's a very, very helpful thing. My grandpa, for example, he has Facebook, but he doesn't have Instagram, YouTube, Twitter. And so what we fail to realize is we're missing sales, we're missing engagement, we're missing connection with fans. Because if one person is on YouTube and that's all they really have is a YouTube account, and you have a Instagram link up, or you have a Facebook link up,